Want to see me first, don't you? I've been lent this off Wayne Ellis. Now, I've never touched one of these in my life, but I didn't realise they're pressed. They're not actually cast. They're literally pressed alley. So there's no way in this world I could pour that thickness. It's paper thin, you know what I mean? That's the only bad bit there. But if I cast it, I can probably fix the bad bits. You see around the edge we got some speed wobbles, so we could fix that. So the best thing to do with this one is beat it flat with a big hammer. I was joking, Wayne, I was joking, I wouldn't do that. So what I want to do is I'm going to sink that into the sand, but it's too thin, so I'm going to make a back to go on there to give it a bit of thickness. Then that way we can do the pouring tube here and the air thing there, not the air or the gases, whatever they call it. So it's purely a matter of getting it right. Wayne, I won't damage it. Whatever happens, I will not damage it. We're getting there. There you go. So I want to just make the back a bit thicker. So when we pour it, the back is going to be a quarter inch. I can then stick it in the miller and I'll mill it to a nice thickness of aluminium, and then this gets sent back to Big Brother Wayne, and I'll send him something nice as well, because that's the sort of guy I am. Pardon, I mean. So that's going to go on there, and we'll just cut around it, and that's how it'll go in the mould. Then when the mould is done, this will come out, but that'll stay in. I haven't got a clue, so it's just going to be, see what happens. It might work, it might not. But whatever happens, there's no damage will come to Wayne's doodle. Kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. Ivor and Eva is two different parts of the world, isn't it, really? Where did we go wrong? Where did we go wrong? Getting up in the morning, that's where I fucking goes wrong. You switch that on, now that should cut at its own pace. There she goes. This is 7.5 amp volt. And I think that's fast enough. You know, if you put it on 9 volt, you can't keep up with it. It is absolutely flying around you. Right, let's shift you back a bit, because I know you're too close. And I can see the look in your eye, you don't like being that close to me. I tried to get you close so you didn't see the measure. I could hold that on there like that and try and go around it, but you know, will we try that first? I got tons of this stuff. I got about 55 fucking ton of it. Cause it's a working man I am, and I drive the butcher's van. Cause the Ronda's just up the road, you know what I mean? That's the idea, is that. But obviously that's too thick. It should cut better now because I've cleaned it. You've got to move your finger out of the way. So we have a nice 1/4 inch piece. So if I can do the first one, then I can get the Dremel out and I can try and get into if these don't come out very well, and then we'll take it from there. But I really like to get these couple of dents out if I could. See, it's been chewed up by a crocodile. A crocodile. I ain't getting, I do. I ain't getting. Oh, you ate me. But you still click me. Right, let's just try and get these dents out. Now, as you know, I'm pretty good with steel. Always was. Always fucking will be. Right, I'll show you. Hey, it's not that end, it's the other end. Okay. Yeah, see? She is straight. So, I think I can buff that out of there. The new one will be that thick. That makes sense. Go and buy yourself a tomato. Yeah, you can actually see the all the way around where it was pushed into a die. Who the fuck's die?
Thank you!